On your feet. I know magical translocation can really upset the stomach. Just take a moment and get your bearings, all right? You might... Wise choice. Just give me a moment. There. That should unlock the door. When you're ready, follow me. There you are. Free as a spring cricket. I hope you intend to keep your word. We'll need each other out there. Of that I'm certain. The name's Norianwe, by the way. Of course. On account I cast in... The galleries... Ugh, do I have to... Larger weapons like staves and great axes will take both hands to use. You can pair smaller weapons with a shield, or another weapon of that size. The choice is yours. Yes, I think that one suits you. If you change your mind, feel free to take any other weapon you want. Now, let's find a spot to practice. This is as good a place as any. Now, prepare yourself, while I conjure up a dance partner. Let's begin. Quickly now. Well done! Impressive. Brilliant! Now do it again. Ready yourself. Quick! Strike while it's off balance. You're unnatural. Keep up the defense. Use your heaviest attack. Raw strength, that. One, protect yourself. Give it everything you've got. Now, some foes will try to restrain you. Quickly, break free. You broke loose. Prepare yourself. Ha! You're unstoppable. You ready to break free? You're every bit the warrior I thought you'd be. Now, again. Now press your advantage with that. That was quite a blow. Swiftly now. Interrupt. Powerful strike. Interrupt now, before it strikes. When your enemy prepares an attack, strike. Interrupting their attack will set them off balance. Good. Now destroy it. Well done. Come speak with me for a moment. With moves like that. Very well. Let's begin. Quickly now, strike the construct.